Hi my people, welcome to MaskEX Masterclass. Today we have $100 challenge. Are you ready to win $100 for your new trading account? If you are ready, hit up the like button in this video. Let's go. Now, today we started a new challenge, which is trade up to grow your account to $20 million and win $100 from me, MaskEX Masterclass team. So, how are you going to participate in this? First of all, let me bring to your notice that MaskEX launched a new feature, which is demo trading. So, in this demo trading account, you have $1 million balance to start your trading. Okay, so how do you participate in my trading challenge? Now let me show you one thing. Demo trading is one aspect of trading that helps you to practice with free money before using your real money. Now what happens is when you practice with this free money, you become familiar with trading. You know how to monitor your emotion, you know how to, like, maybe you are still new in technical analysis, so after your analysis you use it in the demo trading, so know whether you are good in analysis or not. So this is the reason why demo trading feature is being brought on MaskEX. So now this is a good opportunity for all the beginners in trading sector to make use of these things and start trading as a pro. So what do you do? First of all, if you are not ready, if you are not a registered MaskEX account user, you are not allowed to participate in this challenge. So how do you participate? Use my invitation link and register a new MaskEX account. The link is in the description of this video. Click on it and register a new account. Once you have a new account, then the next thing is you go through your the demo account and you launch in a new demo account. Okay, so let's go and I'll show you in the screen how you can participate in this. Peace out. $100 for you if you participate in this challenge, and this challenge will last for 1 week. It's starting today and it's going to last for 1 week. Anyone that wins is going away with my $100. See you in the moon, guys. So welcome. This is a MaskEX Masterclass and I want to show you how you can participate in the demo trading. So this is the demo trading place, and here they will give you 1 million. This one has reduced to 999. So here they are going to give you 1 million USD to participate, to practice. Okay, now you click on trade. So this is the place you need to trade the 1 million. Now, why is demo account very important? Let's assume you are just learning how to analyze coins. Okay, so you need to, this thing will help you so well in your analysis as a beginner. Okay, this is where you will probably be practicing what you learn. So for those of you that will be taking my course today, because I'm launching my course today, I found out that not everything that I teach I will post in my YouTube channel. So I said I brought out my time for over 1 month now. I've been working in the course, different types of topics. So I will I'm working in different type of topics, and I have come in conclusion of the course, and it will be launching today. So the course is full practical course. Everything is done practical. Different indicators, different topics, very outstanding topics. You can't afford to miss this course. I'm still thinking on how much I'm going to give the course out, but I will announce that soon in my groups or in my page. So if you are here, I would like you to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, okay? Facebook also, I'll be announcing that there. how much this course is going to be sold out. So this course also contains one-on-one Zoom meeting for one-on-one analyzing one-on-one Zoom meeting, and we will analyze a token live, real life. After in this course is contained also. In that course also you gain free access to a lifetime trading signal room for a lifetime trading signal room. And also in this course, don't worry, I will not, also in this course you got a chance to win for the best student for the year. The best student for the year is going to win a free trip to Dubai, where you will just come for 1 month trip in Dubai and flex around. For the male and female best 2 male and female students of the year is going to have a free trip to Dubai. So Booker's masterclass is fully prepared, and many things are going to happen. Fully prepared. I built the course with my time, and I think it will worth your time to buy this course and practice with it. So the benefit of what I'm saying is, after watching the videos on all the tutorials in the course, you come to this demo account and you practice on it. Okay, you practice on it and it will help you so well. So right now let's go to business. Why we came here now, this is a BTC, and already know how to trade. You don't need anybody to tell you how to trade. All you need to do is maybe I want to use $2,000 for this trade, and it's either a long or short. So I want to long. I click on long, 20 years, order successful. So it's still on current order. Understand? So sorry guys, I think my mobile phone is crazy, man. So you launch into demo trading. So this is the place we are. This is the place we are, and you click on the trading like this. So this is how you're going to do it. After your analysis, you come here and practice. Now, what are the challenge we are fixing? We are fixing $100 challenge. Who else will grow this 1 million to 20 million within 1 week? Yeah, I'm giving 1 week for us to be serious. Okay, who else will grow this 1 million to 1 million to 20 million within 2 weeks? Okay, let me extend it to 2 weeks. 2 weeks to 2 weeks. Get the first person gets $100. And how are we going to, where am I going to announce it? I'm going to announce the winner in my page, my page, and also announce it in the WhatsApp group. So if you are watching this for the first time, you joined us for the first time, follow my page, or join our WhatsApp or Telegram group, so that will be where the winner in this contest will be announced. Okay, now this is how you trade different coins like this, and you make profit with it. So that is it, my guys. Thank you for watching, and I do my possible best to make sure that you stay profitable as a crypto trader, because there is a very big need for us to be profitable trading. And that is why MaskEX launched this demo trading account. So I'm going to close this out. After you are done with your trading, you just click on close. You click on close like this. I closed the position already. Okay, so that's how it's been done, and thank you guys for turning up, and see you guys in the morning, guys.